Tucked away in the heart of Shropshire, between Shrewsbury and Oswestry, lies Nesscliffe Hill Country Park, a peaceful and picturesque area known for its woodlands, red sandstone cliffs, a mysterious cave steeped in legend. This hidden gem is a favourite among walkers, nature lovers, and history enthusiasts seeking a tranquil escape with a touch of folklore. To reach Nesscliffe, drivers can follow the A5, turning off near the village of Nesscliffe. A small free car park on Valeswood Lane offers convenient access to the trailheads. Public transport options are limited, so arriving by car is the most practical choice for most visitors. The country park offers several scenic walking trails. The most popular is the Nesscliffe Hill and Hopton Hill circular route, which covers around 2.5 miles of well-marked woodland paths and open spaces. The route offers moderate walking, suitable for most abilities, and rewards hikers with panoramic views of the Shropshire countryside, including the distant Welsh hills and the River Severn Valley. Another popular option is the shorter cliff walk, which leads visitors to one of the best viewpoints in the area. A highlight of any visit is the chance to explore Kynaston's cave. Carved into the red sandstone cliffs of Nesscliffe Hill, this small cave is said to have been the hideout of Humphrey Kynaston, a notorious 15th century outlaw. Often referred to as the Shropshire Robin Hood, Kynaston lived in the cave with his loyal horse Beelzebub after being declared an outlaw. Visitors can still see the initials HK carved above the entrance, and the cave remains a scheduled ancient monument. A short detour from the main trail leads to the cave, and steps allow safe access for those who want to take a closer look, though a torch can be handy for peering inside. Nesscliffe's woods are home to a wide variety of wildlife, including deer, foxes, woodpeckers, and many native birds. In spring, the area bursts into colour with bluebells and becomes a golden spectacle in autumn. Picnic benches are scattered in some open areas, providing a lovely spot for a break amid the natural surroundings. There are no toilets or cafe facilities on site, so visitors should come prepared with refreshments, especially if they plan to stay for a while. Sturdy footwear is recommended, as the trails can be muddy, especially after rain. Dogs are welcome throughout the park, but should be kept under control to protect local wildlife. The best time to visit Nesscliffe Hill and its woods is during the quieter months of spring or autumn, when the colours are vibrant and the trails are less crowded. Early mornings and late afternoons offer the most atmospheric lighting and the highest chances of spotting wildlife. Whether you come for the woodland walk, the breathtaking views, or the chance to explore a real outlaw's hideaway, Nesscliffe Hill offers a peaceful and memorable experience off the beaten path in rural Shropshire.